Minnesotans bail out from today's storm. Travel continued to be difficult even as I-19 and roads in southern Minnesota reopen. Heavy snowfall Tuesday morning brought total snowfall around the Twin Cities and southern Minnesota to be 12 and 20 inches. 13.1 inches of snow on Minnesota Street. Polar International Airport recorded the 23rd heaviest snowfall in the history of the Twin Cities, while just over 13 inches fell on the airport. 20 inches fell in the Apple Valley, about 10 miles off the south. Late Wednesday night, a small band of heavy snowfall hovered over the Apple Valley area, likely causing a big difference in snowfall over the very short distance. The latest snow blitz gives us 73.5 inches of snow this season in the Twin Cities. This is enough for the 17th biggest snowfall of the season. We are just inches away from the top 10 spot. As conditions improving, the Minnesota Department of Transportation lifted travel warning through the south central Minnesota and reopening Interstate 19 from Washington to the South Dakota border just afternoon Tuesday. National Weather Service meteorologist Ben Martin said the storm did not bring as much snow as originally forecast. Apple Valley led the subway snow accumulation with 19.1 inches, Pre-Road Lake 17.5 inches, and Burnsville at 16.9 inches were close behind. The weather service said other cities is reported 15 inches or more, including Minneapolis, Hopkins, Egan, Savage, Oakdale, and Lockville. In some areas, there are more of them, or snowdrifts piled on buildings much higher. Taunton in southwest Minnesota, for example, got 21 inches, according to the official Facebook post of the Meteorology Service office in Chanhassen, recorded 16 inches, but some drifts were as high as 24 inches.